Today, I'm going to tell you how to fix hard besan barfi. It becomes hard because of two reasons. First one is the sugar syrup not being made in the one strain consistency. Secondly, overcooking the besan and the sugar syrup together more than the temperature required for it. So now quickly let us see the tips. The first method. First of all, take the barfis which have become hard. Take a mixer grinder and then put all the barfi pieces into it. Cut it into small pieces and then add it into the mixer. Now, run the mixer and make it into a fine powder. Now, transfer the powder into a container. Take a pan. Add 2 or 3 teaspoons of ghee to it. Now, add all this powdered mixture of the hardened besan barfi to it and then start stirring it. While stirring it, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of milk also along while stirring into the mixture. Now keep the flame low and then start stirring the mixture nicely. Slowly you will find that the sugar which has become caramelized because of the heat applied to it gets melted slowly, mixes with the milk and then starts getting into the normal barfi consistency. Now apply ghee on a mold or a plate which you have decided to pour the mixture into it. Now take the whole off the gas stove and pour the mixture into the mold. Now allow it to cool by adding some dry fruits pieces on top. Now when it comes to nearly a room temperature and hardened, now start taking a knife and cutting it into the proper pieces of the normal barfi.